This video is sponsored by WeShare app and it is the first free app store for everyone and for all devices. WeShare app and all its apps are in a cloud. So imagine the extra memory space and the battery you will get on your phone. So it is really interesting and you can also check it out in the Play Store and I will provide you the link in the description as well. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech Spark and I am back with a new video. In this video we are going to talk about the Arduino boards, and now I will be creating the playlist on this topic where I will be explaining you about the projects related to the topics like LED blinking, IR sensor, temperature web server, ultrasonic sounds and many more. The topic that I will be covering in this video are: the first one, what is Arduino, second, hardware specification, and the third and the most important topic of this video will be software on which the Arduino codes run on. So guys, watch the whole video from starting till end, and if you are new to my channel then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss the notification when I upload the new video. So guys, let's start this video. So guys, this is the Arduino board and you can also buy it from Amazon and Flipkart as well. I will provide you the link in the description below. This is basically an Arduino Uno, which is also called as a microcontroller board based on the ATmega 328P datasheet. It has 14 digital input and output pins, of which 6 can be used as PWM outputs, where PWM stands for pulse width modulation. And I would like to tell you that PWM is a powerful technique for controlling analog circuits with a microprocessor's digital outputs. The another important thing about this board is that it comes along with a cable which is used to connect to your PC or laptops while you code on the Arduino software. And if you don't get the cable with the board, then you just don't need to panic and you just have to go to the computer shop near you and ask for the printer cable. So this is the cable that comes along with the Arduino board. It contains two ports. One port is the USB port that is used to connect to the laptops or to your PC, and another is the port which is used to connect to the Arduino board, and it can be connected like this. This is the Arduino board and this is the cable. You just have to plug this port in this socket and you can see that it is connected. So this is the main cable that you will get along with the Arduino board. So the hardware specifications of the Arduino Uno are: it is having a microcontroller that is ATmega 328 and an operating voltage of 5 volt, along with the input voltage as recommended is 7 to 12 volt. It is also having a digital input and an output pin ranging from 0 to 13, including the ground pin. It is also having a PWM output which counts in number to be total of 6 pins. The Arduino Uno also have a flash memory of 32 KB and SRAM of 2 KB. It is also having a EEPROM of 1 KB and a clock speed of 16 MHz. So guys, now I'm going to tell you about the most important part of this video, that is the installation process of the Arduino software on which the Arduino code runs on. So in my case, I am taking Google Chrome as my browser and you can take Google as well, and in the search bar you just have to type Arduino and hit enter. As you will hit enter, you will see the first link. You just have to click on this link so that it will redirect to the official website of the Arduino software, and then you have to just click on software and downloads. As you will click on downloads, it will again redirect to the page where you can just download and run the code onto it. So you just have to see that you are using the Linux, Mac or the Windows operator. As per your choice, you can just download. So I am just clicking on the Windows because I am using the Windows 10, and you just have to click over the just download button. As you will click on the just download button, after few seconds you will see that the downloading process will be started, and you can see that the downloading is being going on. And I am just cancelling out because I have already downloaded the software so as to save the time. So after the download process is over, you will find an icon like this in your place where you have downloaded the software. So now I am going to just install this software in my PC, and you just have to follow the simple steps and it will be installed in your laptops too. So first of all, you have to just double tap on this icon and just give the permission to this software, and you have to just click on I agree and then next, and just tap on install. And as you are able to see that the extraction process is on the way, and it will take some time and it will be installed successfully. And as you can see that the process has been successfully completed, and I am just closing this window. And to restart this software, you just have to click on the shortcut icon that has been created on the desktop. So just double tap on this icon and you can see that the Arduino software is just initializing itself, and in few seconds it will be in front of us. And you can see that the software has successfully installed and is running on the laptop. So this is the main IDE software on which the Arduino code runs on. So guys, if you have liked this video, then please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for more interesting videos in the future, and I will be back with a new video soon with the LED blinking. That is the simple project of the Arduino board. Please like, comment and share. Thank you for watching this video.